Some of you know that I don't get much sleep because my husband is a mouth breather and he snores. And I'm at my limit. I bought a month's supply for my husband of these Rest Easy mouth tape strips. Last night was night 1, okay? I don't want to get too ahead of myself and say 10 out of 10 yet because it's too early. But last night went well, okay? If you or the person that you are sharing a bed with has their mouth open while they're sleeping, you're probably not getting the best sleep that you can be getting. And when you're 41, sleep is life. God, I miss life before kids. Anyway, I will keep you updated, but right now I would say if you are in the market, click the link below and get some for my showcase. So far, so good.